Hey, how's it going, everyone? In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the shark fin from the top side of this pickup truck. Now, this is a Dodge Ram 1500 2014 model. Shark fin at the top. I'll show you how to remove that. Stay tuned. So we're going to start with going to the inside of the vehicle. Once you go to the inside, what you want to do is go ahead and remove the headrest. That there will allow you to have more room so the top liner can come down. Next step, we're going to remove this clip. So you want to go to the inside, and I'm using a sharp tool. Now, once you remove the clip cover, you'll find behind there's a T20 torque screw located underneath. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that, and we'll proceed to removing this panel. Go behind it, pop it out. Located behind there is a Phillips head screw. So the next step, we will remove this panel here. That's what's holding it. So now we loosen that, we'll go ahead and remove it. And you'll pop it out slowly, and you'll hear the clips pretty much detach. Now behind this panel, you'll see that now we can access this area here. We'll go ahead and pull the liner down. There are other options. The options are you can unfasten the seat belt, or you can just leave it on, kind of like probably to the side. You don't necessarily have to remove the entire panel. So now that the headliner is down, you can also have the options to move your weather strip. If you want to peel back your weather strip, you have the option to do so as well. But you have everything down. Right underneath here is where our antenna sits. So we gotta detach the wiring harness. Once we do those, we go underneath, and there you have your shark antenna sitting at the top. Now that is a 10mm bolt, so we're gonna use a 10mm to move that. After that, we'll feed our cord through, and then we'll be able to pull the shark fin antenna away from the vehicle. All right, so once your silver piece comes off, that is for your screw. You go ahead and remove that, sit it to the side. Now we'll focus on removing this clear piece here. Now this piece here goes straight through. Once we push it through, we'll feed our wires up to the top, and then we'll be able to remove our shark fin antenna. There are clips on each side, so we go to each side, push that clip in. Clips are located here, so you will push in and pull up. Now the clips that I mentioned are located here on both sides. You will have to push in to release them, and then you'll be able to pull up. If not, you won't be able to get it through unless you force it through, and you will break the clips. Now, feed everything through. So the only two that needed to be removed are the yellow mustard color and then this burgundy cranberry looking color. Those are the only two that need to be removed. Now you have your shark fin out of the way. Now there are many reasons you can remove your shark fin antenna. You can either replace it, repair it, or simply remove it to have your top roof wrapped, which is our reason. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this roof. In order to do that, we need to remove that shark fin antenna to do it professionally. Thank y'all for checking out this video. My subscribers, I really appreciate you. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button down below. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.